Let's make crispy pork belly in the air fryer. To make the paste, we are going to start off by mixing half a tablespoon of salt, half a tablespoon of white pepper, half a tablespoon of 5-spice, half a tablespoon of white sugar, and half a tablespoon of Shaoxing wine. Mix well to form the paste, and it should look something like this. To prepare the pork belly, I've just pierced the skin side and put 1/2-inch deep cuts on the flesh side. And here we're just rubbing the paste that we prepared earlier all over the flesh side, like so. Massage the paste well into the flesh side, and once we're done with that, we're going to transfer the pork belly onto the foil with the skin side up and pat the skin dry. And it's extremely crucial that the skin is as dry as possible to allow it to crisp up. Then you're going to want to brush the skin with some white vinegar and cover that with salt. Once the skin of the pork belly is covered with salt, we're going to move this into the air fryer at 120 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, the salt would have dried, so just remove the layer of salt and proceed to coat the skin of the pork belly with a neutral oil. Leave it in the air fryer for 30 to 40 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. Once it's done cooking, it'll look like this. And now we're ready to get chopping. So I'm not doing a very good job with the chopping at this point, but aesthetics aside, the taste is pretty much on point. So I definitely recommend trying this recipe out if you're interested in having some Chinese-style pork belly from the comfort of your home. Enjoy!